Welcome to our new lesson on Chapter 2, 2.1, Addition of Signed Numbers. We need to use negative numbers in many ways. Signed numbers, we can represent it on this number line. In the middle, we can say that we have 0. When we go to the right, we will go positive. So we have positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, and so on. While if we go to the left, we will have the negative numbers, -1, -2, -3, and so on. We have something called the absolute value. The absolute value of a number means the distance between this number and 0. And we denote it by these two lines, putting the number between them. For example, absolute value for -3. This means the distance between -3 and 0. And this distance is equal to 3. Or we can write it as +3. The same if we said absolute value of +2. This means the distance between +2 and 0, which is equal also to 2. So, absolute value of a number is never negative. Look to these examples. Absolute value of +7 is equal to 7. Absolute value of -10 is equal to +10. Absolute value of 0 is equal to 0, because the distance between 0 and 0 is 0, and so on. Now let us go to learn how to add signed numbers, or sometimes we call it integers. Look to these examples. Example 1, +3 plus +5. The answer is +8. So both 3 and 5 are positive numbers. They are the same in the sign. So we add 3 to 5, it will be 8, and the answer will have the same sign. -6 plus -7, the answer is -13. 6 and 7 have the same sign, they are both negative. The answer is the sum of 6 and 7 with the same sign of both numbers. So here we have a rule. If two signed numbers have the same sign, just add the numbers and put the same sign. Example 3, +1 plus +12 is equal to +13. Example 4, -20 plus -30 is equal to -50. So the rule here is clear. If two signed numbers have the same sign, when adding them, just add the absolute value of the two numbers and put the same sign. But in this group of examples, we will see how to add different signed numbers. Example 1, +4 plus -3. The answer is +1. So, if two signed numbers are different in the sign, the rule is to find the difference between the absolute value of the two numbers and put the sign of the larger one and put the sign of the largest one. Example 2. -9 plus +6. Two numbers with different signs. We will find the difference between 9 and 6, which is 3, and put the sign of the larger one, which is minus. Example 3. -2 plus +10. Two different signs. We will find the difference between 2 and 10, which is 8. The sign of the larger one is positive, so the answer is +8. A final example. +11 plus -11. Two numbers with different signs. We will find the difference between 11 and 11, which is 0. And 0 has no sign. By this, we reach the end of our lesson. Thank you.